Hey there people, how's it going? And today we are talking about the Zest Body Soap. Now, this is the soap that my wife uses, and I happen to run out of my soap, which is a different brand, far more masculine brand. Well, masculine kind of a certain brand. Yeah, this is the Zest. I ran out of mine, so I borrowed hers, and I actually kind of like it. This is the Lush Paradise fragrance, and it smells really nice. It does. It smells really good. So it has this fresh outdoor flowery smell that gets it really clean. And what I like most about it is the amount of lather you get when you're, scrubbing your body. It just really lathers up really well, and you don't have to scrub very much to get it. I mean, a lot of soaps you have to throw your hands together, scrubbing just to get the lather up big enough to actually get some lather going. You have to do it super fast, to actually get that lather going. But it's pretty good. It really gets a whole lot of soap bubbles and lather all over your body really fast. And I really like that. It was better than the one that I normally use. And I was like to my wife, honey, you've been keeping this secret from me. Yeah, but it is kind of girly and it smells kind of girly, but it will get you clean. I mean, any soap that has a lot of bubbles and lather is gonna do a good scrubbing job of getting all that gook and grime off your body that you've accumulated all day long. Yeah, so this is a very good soap. I don't normally run out of my brand, but I was just been being lazy on going to the store, and so I borrowed this one. My wife was very willing to actually give me one. So this is from her pack. In this pack you get, I think it's 2 in a pack, and one I was scrubbing with is in the shower right now, so I opened up a new one just to do this video. So yeah, this is a very good soap that makes you feel very clean. My wife's been using it probably for about 2.5 years now, and now I know what's been making her smell so good right out of the shower. Even when you're using this and you're taking a hot, fairly long shower, once you come out of the bathroom and say that person's been using this and you go in, you can smell it. It kind of permeates through the bathroom air, so to speak, and makes the whole bathroom kind of smell like this soap, So it's a really nice, clean fragrance. And Zest has several different fragrances, but this is the one that she prefers, and I really like it too. It's this very nice smell. I mean, I will not mind if I run out again of my other brand. Will not mind using this one again. I'll keep it, one of these bars, in my shower, because we have separate bathrooms. I'll keep one of these in my shower as a just in case. Yeah, so, but like I said, it does smell kind of girly, and it's pink, and yeah, so, but it's a good soap. It really is a good soap, and I can't see anybody having any qualms with this as far as its workability and getting yourself clean, and the lather that it gives, and how long it lasts. A lot of soaps deteriorate over time pretty quickly. These pretty much last a long time. Well, it depends on how many showers you take. My wife takes 2 showers a day using these, and the bar that she uses it really deteriorates way less than the one that I use. It's good. It spreads itself around, but it's like concentrated or something, so it doesn't get small that quickly. but it's a good soap. I really like it a lot. All right, well, we've been talking about Zest body soap, and it's the Lush Paradise fragrance. All right, guys, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.